welcome back to another Car TV vlog. She's back, finally. What is up, guys? It has been a hot minute since I've seen you. I am here in my garage. I'm gonna run you through everything that's been going on with Nori. You haven't seen Nori for quite some time now. There's been quite a few things that have changed. As you guys saw, it kind of just like got worked on. All my vlogs stopped and then it was K-swapped. And now we're kind of like a year in and there's like another wrap and like more modifications are happening. So there's a lot of things I do need to get you up to speed with. But first, how gangster is the wrap that I designed? And I wrapped the car. I cracked a rim on Mia because she had Rega Masters and I live basically in the countryside, and yeah, I managed to crack a rim and I needed to get it fixed. So I borrowed my drift car rims for the front. It was horrible fitment and it was just going on the guard every time I turned because the car was not raised and it wasn't set up as well as Nori is set up for these wheels. But yeah, so I had to take them, put them on Mia, and then Nori just got some shredders. But yeah, these are gonna go back on the car, so don't stress about that. But yeah, this is the car. I wish I could show you the rear because the rear is actually pretty cool. Come bite me now. Because it was a really hot day today. It was like a solid like 30 degrees, and yeah, they're gonna come attack me right now. Still spraying. Anyway, I hate getting bitten by mosquitoes. Nori has been wrapped. I wanted to show you the rear, but I don't think you can really see it too well. But it looks so sick. And I did the roof. So it was such a long process because this is all gold chrome and this is layered on top of the wrap. And this was actually a print on the laminate, or was it the print on the gold? Yeah, and then it was laminated. And yeah, so I don't know if you can see, but it was like stuck on top. So all of these, like to set up the artwork, it was a pain in the backside. Yeah, this is my list of things to do. So if you want to pause it and have a look at, you know, the upcoming weeks and what's going to be happening, this is it. So you guys are probably wondering like what Wrap Squad is. That was a business I was starting. I don't know if I'm going to go ahead with it. Oh, yuck. It's like dirt. I don't know if I'm going to go ahead with it 100% yet. I'm definitely keeping liveries.com.au and definitely keeping Tiana Creative. I'm going to start producing RC liveries if you guys are interested. I will be producing some like actual sticker kits too, not just the designs. So yeah, I sell online liveries there and I will be selling physical RC sticker kits very soon. Tiana Creative is my graphic design business. If you didn't know, I design liveries for a living. So yeah, this is how he looks. My mum is like the coolest. She got me these Nori JDM plates for my birthday. My birthday was on June. The interior is pretty much like the same as you saw it last. The only thing that's going to be really changing here soon is the seat. So I will be getting from Touge Nation I'll leave the link in the description below, but it was a discontinued like limited run of like a bride Gretty seat. So it looks so sick, and I'll put it here right now so you can see what it is. But I'm super excited for that. All I need is rails. And as you saw in the list, like I'm gonna get new harnesses. I don't know what color I'm gonna go for. There's so many options. I'm so excited for this car. I miss driving this car so much. I haven't driven it properly in like a year. How many of you guys are like in the same dilemma? Leave a comment below if you're like literally in the same problem as me, where your car is currently getting worked on and yeah, it just feels like sometimes like it's a never-ending cycle of problems. Now for the actual afternoon and what I'm doing, I am going to be cleaning my garage so I can be working on Nori over the next couple of weeks, and trying to get my car back out onto the track. So there's a massive mountain of mess everywhere. Okay, so we've got this mess here. Look at how dirty my floor is. That's from Mia. I don't know where this leak is coming from. That's a problem for later, okay? Yeah, it's actually, it looks bad, but it's not too bad, so it's okay. That's accumulative. That's accumulative over many, many months, FYI. But yeah, so there's this mountain of mess. Okay, series is underneath that. Mountain of mess here, mountain of mess there, mountain of mess here, and a mountain of mess over there. I probably don't really need to like deal with that corner because that like I just don't have like other shelves right now to put up, but there's so many bulky items there that I just don't even know like how I would organize it. It's pretty much like a whole nother 180SX in there. So I know you guys are probably thinking, well, damn, she is literally only just cleaning her garage in this vlog. Yes, I am. However, I know that I've been super slack with my YouTube channel over the last 5 years. I've only been uploading, you know, pretty much like on average, maybe once every like couple of months. So I'm really gonna make the effort pretty much from here on in to actually be doing weekly vlogs, no matter how boring they may be. So you guys will keep up to date with pretty much everything that's happening. I know you guys want to probably know a little bit more about Nori. So Nori is obviously if you guys are new here, is a K24 180SX, but at the moment, I didn't actually show the engine bay. I'm really sorry about that. I noticed like since I've been editing back at this, I didn't show the bay, but there'll be plenty of opportunities over the coming weeks for you guys to see what the car currently looks like. There's so much work to be done. I've actually got a rocker cover here from K24, which I'm super excited about, and I'm going to make a whole ass vlog around painting that too. So I'm going to be painting that in a Day of the Dead kind of theme. I ended up buying some like acrylic paint pens. So there's so much happening. Plus, like, I'm going to be making my own firewall. I'm buying a manifold from the UK so I can run a full exhaust. These are all the things that are going to be happening over the coming weeks. So please stay tuned. I'm so excited for what we have coming for this car. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So I pretty much have tidied up most of the areas that I intended to tidy up. Besides that back corner over there, next to my toolbox, it's really messy, but I think I need to do like a whole like full garage clean out where I actually get rid of things because things are just not fitting anymore on the shelves. I have too many car parts, unfortunately, and I refuse to get rid of my car parts because I love my car parts. I'm a car parts hoarder and I don't care. Judge me all you want. So pretty much everything's done. The only thing I really want to do is I want to sweep. But yeah, I'm going to go to the grocery store. I'm going to go grab some food, come back, I'm going to eat, I'm going to finish sweeping. But unfortunately, guys, this is the end of the vlog. Please definitely leave a comment below on like, you know, what you think of my list. That's on Nori as well. Like, I would love to know like what your thoughts are and how much I got left. Maybe like give me an estimate of a time frame if I work on it every single weekend. How long do you think it'll take me? But yeah, until the next one, guys, I will see you next week because now it's a weekly vlog. So I will get to see you guys and your beautiful faces every single week on a Friday. That was not meant to happen. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a great day, night, work week, whatever it is, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out.